All right, guys, so these are the things we will need for our experiment, or for our how-to book to create a rainbow. You need the Skittles, a plate, and some water. So you can see I put my Skittles. I tried to put them in the color of a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green. We had no blue. We had no indigo, so we had to use violet. So I went all around and I made the colors of the rainbow. We also made a pattern, a color pattern, so you can see how it keeps going. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple. Remember the name too, to help remember the color of the rainbow, the orders. Roy G. Biv. So those are the things you need for this experiment. And if I was doing my how-to book, that's how I would start my first page. The materials you need: Skittles, a plate, and some water. Now we're going to use warm water today, but there's other experiments you can do where you use different temperatures of water, or you can use M&Ms and Skittles and see which becomes a rainbow faster. So you could take this experiment and do a couple things with it. So in my how-to book, I have my materials. Then I would say first, put your Skittles around the plate. Now you want to keep the colors changing, and you don't want the same colors to be right next to each other so it looks more like a rainbow. So you put your colors, put your Skittles on the plate. I have my warm water, and we're just gonna pour that into the middle of the plate, and we're gonna watch what happens. I'm gonna pour enough so that the water touches the Skittles. So I have my materials. First, line your plate with the Skittles in a pattern. Then pour the warm water. Then we wait and see what happens. So we'll be creating our own rainbow. Now it may take a little while. And while you're waiting, I want you to think, how are we going to make this rainbow? What's going to happen? And think about the temperature of the water. Does it make a difference if this water is warm or cold? So that could be something that you do to change up this experiment a little bit. You could use different temperatures of water. Cold water versus warm water. I wonder if milk would even make a difference. But look what we're doing, guys. Look at this. I wonder why the one side's not working so well. Let's kind of make sure the water's touching them. So again, at home, this is an easy experiment to do, but you could also see a difference in M&Ms versus Skittles. Maybe the M&Ms would turn into a rainbow faster than the Skittles did. Cold water, maybe it wouldn't become a rainbow as fast as the warm water is. So again, if this was my how-to book and I was going to teach you how to make your own rainbow, I would list my materials. Then I would say first, line your Skittles around the plate. Put Skittles in a pattern. Then pour warm water in the center of the plate. Make sure you touch all of the Skittles with the water. Then wait, and last, enjoy your rainbow. Pretty easy how-to book, isn't it? But look at what a neat experiment it is. And then, if your mom lets you, or your dad or your grandma or grandpa lets you, not only could you eat the leftover Skittles, but probably you could even eat the ones that created your rainbow. Pretty neat. All right, guys, I hope you liked our experiment. I hope you try some of those other ways that you could do it, how you could change it up by using different temperatures of water, or using Skittles versus M&Ms. Do the two together. Start them at the same time. See which becomes a rainbow first. So hopefully you'll watch that, or watch this. And then on Monday when we meet, we can talk about it. All right, guys? Have a good weekend. Keep working hard.